In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, to Xero. This process allows you to seamlessly integrate your Wise transactions with Xero, enabling easier financial management and ensuring your accounts are up to date. Let's dive right in. First, you want to start by logging into your Xero account. Open up your browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once there, simply enter your credentials and click Login to access your dashboard. This is where you'll find all your important financial information and account details. Once you're in your Xero dashboard, your next step is to open the bank account section. You can find this by heading to the menu and selecting Accounting, then Bank Accounts. Clicking on this will bring up a list of all the bank and payment accounts that are currently linked to your Xero account. Now we need to add Wise as a new bank account. This is straightforward. Start by clicking on the Add Bank Account button. A search bar will appear, and here you'll want to type Wise or even TransferWise, as both are recognized by the system. When the search results come up, select Wise from the available connections. The next step is connecting Xero to Wise. Once you've selected Wise, you'll see an option to Continue to Wise. Click on it, and it will redirect you to the Wise login page. Use your Wise account credentials to log in, and make sure to authorize Xero to access your Wise account data. This step is crucial, as it allows Xero to retrieve and manage data from your Wise transactions. Now that Xero is authorized, we can proceed to choose which Wise accounts you want to sync. You'll be presented with your Wise balances, which might include different currency accounts like USD, EUR, or GBP. Select the balances you wish to link with Xero and ensure you confirm all the permissions for Xero to import transactions from these accounts. After selecting the accounts, it's time to set up the bank feed in Xero. Head back over to your Xero dashboard and check to see that your Wise accounts are now listed under Bank Accounts. At this point, your daily transactions from Wise should automatically sync into Xero, making it easier to keep track of your financial activity. Finally, you'll need to regularly reconcile your transactions. Go to Accounting, click on Bank Accounts, and then Reconcile. This feature allows you to match Wise transactions with corresponding invoices, bills, or expense records in Xero. This process is essential for maintaining accurate financial statements and ensuring everything stays in balance. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll effectively link Wise to Xero, streamlining your financial management tasks. Thank you for watching.